The moment I was trying to create tangible brand awareness in my marketplace, I leaned into Zillow first. When you Google yourself or you Google someone locally, usually the first thing that comes up is a Zillow page. If we think about what Zillow stands for, Zillow is our organization that is magnifying the agent as the epicenter of the industry. My name is Jason Cheperdak. I run the Shepherd Homes Group based here in Washington, D.C. We serve Maryland, D.C., and Virginia, and we will be on track to do about $400 million in production this year. When we look at the market of what's available to an agent in regards to leads, there are not that many lead platforms that have really statistical, fact-based returns that are like tangible. What's kind of incredible about it is you don't have to tell people about Showcase. You can show people Showcase. And so when we show someone an AI integrated 3D floor plan, an active floor plan, we show them the actual presentation that Showcase has, but then we show them the analytics section of Showcase on a listing presentation, we become one, if not the only person they've ever seen provide a tech stack like that on a listing. And since we started Showcase heavily this year, in the first 6 months of the year, we've actually double-sided a transaction every single month to the benefit of the client. The client netted way more, and we were able to facilitate the transaction much better. And I think we provided a much better value to both the buyer and the seller in those transactions. Don't lean out. That's my expression. Lean into change. Don't lean out of change. And knowing that, Zillow is such a major powerhouse, they're not going to create something that doesn't make sense.